Hi, welcome to Snappy Blink. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the Sunbathe preset in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some example photos before and after using this preset. Let's get started. Adjust the contrast to 21. Highlights to -70. Adjust shadows to 20. Whites to -19 and blacks to 9. Then slightly adjust the curves like this. Now go to color. Now temperature to 31. Adjust the tint 20. Vibrance 21. Finally saturation to -28. Then let's adjust the colors. Orange, increase the saturation to 40. Decrease the luminance to -19. Yellow, decrease the hue by -20. Increase the saturation to 50. Decrease the luminance to -20. Green, decrease the saturation to -10. Decrease the luminance to -10. Cyan, decrease the luminance to -20. Blue, decrease the luminance to -20. Go to color grading. Adjust the shadows by making hue 330, saturation 19. Then adjust the highlights by making hue 307, saturation 30. Increase blending to 97. Go to Effects. Clarity 21. Now let's adjust the details. Noise reduction 20. And color noise reduction 20. Okay, done. Now you can clearly see the difference of before and after of this photo. Now let's copy these settings and try out on more photos.